Hello everybody, welcome to our POV series. Today we are going to be doing a full ride POV in HD of Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind, so it should be a blast. Stay tuned.
Is the small yellow dwarf star you call Sun. Your observant Terrans may have noted that they provide the inspiration for the distinctive symbol of the Nova Corps, our intergalactic peacekeeping force. My home planet might look familiar to you, as it shares many features with your Terra. Xandar is known as a peaceful paradise in the stars, a beautiful world filled with land masses and dominated by vast blue waters. From space, you can see maelstroms, powerful whirlpools which we harness for energy. Observe our many atolls, what you call coral reefs. Colorful algae bloom in our waters and provide sustainable farming, while also giving
Our oceans produce both energy and food for our population. One of our more
On Xandar, we are never far removed from the natural world, and caring for the environment is one of our core principles. Our lush, exotic gardens are the envy of the galaxy. Xandar features an unparalleled collection of arboretums and recreational areas for all to enjoy. Our biomes feature rare species of flora
of pelagic life.
blending the glass of the cockpit seamlessly into the metal of the rest of the ship.
Exactly.
The exact storyline of.
The Star Blaster is a multi-functioning single-pilot ship designed exclusively for members of the Nova Corps. Do not underestimate the sophistication of this ship because of its size.
The Nova Corps began with just 500 members and served as Earth. Today, we operate as a massive universal peacekeeping force. As you might expect, the Nova Corps maintains a strict dress code that reflects each rank, the highest of which is Nova Prime. Both Nova Corps and the Xandarian government are led
by Guardians of the Galaxy.
Yeah, I'm the leader. And I'm also the captain. Captain Leader.
I thought the leader was Star-Lord?
Yeah, we only let him think that. Don't call him Star-Lord. His close friends call him Pete Rouge. Okay. It wasn't exactly my idea.
Is this the famous Groot? That day of the battle. Tell us in your own words. Making room for everyone. Thank you.
But it's pretty good. And it's
Greetings, Terrans. I am Nova Prime Irani Rayam, Commander of the Nova Corps. On behalf of all Xandarians, I hope you have enjoyed exploring the wonders of Xandar. As you have seen, your world and ours were born of the same moment, one which you refer to as the Big Bang. As such, we are all galactic neighbors in a vast universe which we and countless others share. For you to travel to Xandar would take 2.5 million years, assuming you had a ship that could fly at the speed of light. So we decided to come to you. But even we could not have reached you so easily were it not for the Cosmic Generator, an advanced piece of Xandarian technology that creates jump points, artificial tunnels that act as shortcuts, linking distant points in space. It is our desire to share this wondrous technology with your people so that together we might explore new worlds and create a brighter tomorrow. And now, as the culmination of the wonders of Xandar, you will be teleported to a Nova ship above your planet for a demonstration of the Cosmic Generator. I trust you will find it an unforgettable experience.
Welcome, people of Epcot, Epcoters, Epcotians, citizens of Epcot. Does anyone know what they call themselves? What? I'm on? Someone needs to tell me when I'm on. Welcome, Epcot Terrans. I am Centurion Tal Merrick, and we're just about ready to teleport you up to the ship for the demonstration. As you're about to enter a secure Nova area, I must ask you to put away your Terran communication devices at this time. Recording of any type is strictly prohibited. I am very serious about this. Now, please step forward into the chamber. You're gonna love this. Okay, before we begin, I should warn you that we have never teleported Terrans before. But since your molecular structure is very similar to Xandarians, it should work. It'll work. So long as you are standing inside the lighted ring. You do not want to know what happened last time someone did not stand where I told them to, okay? Stand by for teleportation. Is everyone in? Here we go. You made it. I mean, of course you did.
What you see before you is the cosmic generator. And in just a few moments, we'll be activating it so you can experience for yourselves what's happening.
I'm not sure. Our power's out. And the cosmic generator is gone.
Cheerio, Mark. Go to Code Red. Prepare the fleet. And call the guard. Now.
There is no cause for alarm. Turn off that alarm. I've got an important transmission coming in.
Hey, what's up, Nova Corps?
Our cosmic generator has been stolen.
What?
How?
Why didn't we think of that? That thing's gotta be worth a fortune.
I am Groot.
Good question.
Yeah, who do you think took it?
Perhaps that really big man outside your ship.
That is a big man. I need to alert Nova Prime.
I have been watching Terrans for eons.
I'm hungry at all.
This species has failed.
Wait, whoa, we didn't even know there was a test.
He's on the cosmic generator. He's creating a jump point.
Jump point to where?
Not where. When.
So good, you jump point.
It's going back to the dawn of time.
To erase an error.
Well, that doesn't sound good.
Your time is over.
Wait, what do you mean it's so vague?
The jump point is closing.
Wait, Nova Dude, you're Nova Corps need to follow that whatever it is until we get there.
We can't. Our power is down, and I've got to get these Terrans onto evacuation shuttles.
I got it. I reprogrammed the shuttles to follow them through the jump point.
Wait, what?
Look, they're our only chance of keeping track of that whack job until we get the cosmic generator back. Piece of cake.
Wait! There's cake. Where's this cake?
The odds are impossible,
Yep.
but it's our only shot. Good luck.
Are you sure you can control it?
Come on, it's me. We got this.
We're all toast.
First there was cake, now there is toast. This planet's making me so hungry.
Terrans, listen up. You need to make your way to the evacuation shuttles now. We'll follow with the fleet if we get our power back. I mean, when we get our power back. They're off now, because this planet of the Guardians doesn't stand a chance. What? They're still on? What did I just say? You need to tell me when I'm on. Are you Terrans still there? Everything is under control. We're rebooting our subsystems and we'll have the power back soon. We do hope you enjoyed your brief visit with us. Over and out.
Okay, headed for the jump point. This plane is never gonna work.
Rocket!
Well,
Okay, I'm locked onto your vehicles.
I'll be right behind you.
nothing to worry about.
Unless we cannot stop this unusually large man, then you're likely doomed.
Rex!
Noise? No one's gonna stop rock and roll from existing.
What have we done?
I think we're jumping back.
The Big Bang!
We gotta get that generator. It's the only way back.
There it is! We got the generator! You know what really helps? An instruction manual.
not for long. Our world will not be perfect.
Yeah, well, nobody's perfect. We're back. Locking coordinates for Epcot.
It's Epcot. Remind me to raise our rates.
And welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy.
We have no name in our ship for these new guards.
Drax, it's an honorary title. They're not coming with us.
I see. It was meaningless. Well, then welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy. Now, where's that king?
Welcome back to Epcot. Please have all personal belongings and exit the Star Jumper. The Nova Corps thanks you for your service.
Bruh. So there you have it, Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind. What'd you think?
Oh, it's one of my favorite rides now. It's amazing.
It's an awesome ride. I hope you've enjoyed this video. There's so much to see. Definitely come to see this. It opens May 27th. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video and you got a sneak peek of Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind. Be sure to check out all of our other content. We've got lots of other things for you. Until we see you tomorrow, the Noble Way.
It's easy way.
Bye-bye, everybody.